Welcome again to my YouTube channel where I share the best tips to generate passive income online. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, this is the perfect time to do it. Just smash the subscribe button below and hit the small notification bell to get the latest videos first. Thanks for your support. In my last video, I showed you how to earn money selling digital greeting cards on Etsy. If you want to watch that video again, just click the YouTube link at the top. In this video, I will show you how to create a mock-up for your Etsy listing, plus I will also give you a free Canva template that you can edit and add your own text and images to. The link to the Canva template is below in the description. Anyone with the link can use the template, so there's no need to have a paid Canva subscription to modify the mock-up template. If you're selling on Etsy, you're already familiar with the importance of showcasing your products, and one of the most effective ways to do this is by using mock-up photos. A mock-up is just a digital photo that shows how your product will look when it's in use or on display. For example, if you're selling printables, like a greeting card or wall art, you might use a mock-up to show how the artwork looks when it's printed and framed. Etsy mock-ups are an essential tool for any seller looking to showcase their products in a professional and eye-catching way. A mock-up acts like the salesperson for your product. Mock-ups allow you to display your products in a realistic setting, giving potential buyers a better idea of what the item will look like in real life. Let me show you how to create your own mock-up by modifying my free Canva template. If you're already familiar with Canva, then you know how to do this. You can add your own logo to the mock-up by dragging it from your uploads to the right side. The image will automatically fill in the frame. The product image also fits in the frame if you drag it over to the mock-up photo. The images you use for your mock-up should be high quality and high resolution to ensure that your product looks crisp and clear. To add your own text, just click on the text part and start typing. You can add more lines if you like, or delete text. If you want to change the mock-up background color, click on the pink part and select your preferred color from the color palette. It will adjust automatically. Adding a whole new background to the mock-up is also simple. Pick one of the background images on the left, and select it to insert into the template. The background you choose for your mock-up can make a big difference in how your product looks. Make sure the background complements your product and doesn't distract from it. Consider the context in which your digital file might be used and choose a background that complements it. While it's important to create an eye-catching mock-up, you don't want to overdo it with too many elements or a cluttered design. Keep it simple and let your product shine. When you are satisfied with the mock-up, simply download the file as a high-resolution JPEG or PNG image and upload it to your Etsy listing. Another thing that you can add in a mock-up is a positive review from a previous customer, to help build trust and credibility with potential buyers. If your product requires some technical know-how, you can also provide a few lines of text with instructions to help customers use it effectively. And why not add a mock-up to your listing where you ask visitors to follow your shop for the latest updates or offer a bonus code that gives them a discount when they order? Some Etsy sellers add a link to their free newsletter in their mock-up, to build a mailing list. With an email list, you can contact your subscribers over and over again, and let them know about your latest items. If you're looking for a free mailing list service, you can use MailerLite. The free forever plan allows you to build a list with 1,000 subscribers, so that's more than enough to get started. The website comes with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, free templates, a website builder for landing pages, pop-ups, and much more. If you use my special link, you will get a $20 credit and a 14-day trial for all the premium features. I will leave the link below in the description. Just about anything goes in a mock-up. Be creative, and don't forget to find out how your competitors present and market their products. I will drop the Canva mock-up template link in the description below so that you can experiment with it. If you don't have an Etsy store, you can use my special Etsy link to open your own store and get 40 listings for free. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the small bell icon to get the latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.